Hey everybody, it's Virginia. So I'm back here in Hopewell because I just listed, just put my sign up and just listed a new property on 15 Collarbark. You can see that there all the way in the back. So it's really nice. It's nice, like set back off the road. It's on 4 acres. There's a pond in the back. There's a barn. So lots of privacy. You know, you can probably even do like a horse or something on this property. I imagine that could work. But what's really key about this property is that it has a great in-law suite, 2 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, its own kitchen, its own laundry, its own entrance. So if there's any type of, you know, multi-family generational sort of situation in your household and you need space for other generations, either older generations or younger generations, this house could be for you. It's got a lot of great potential. Again, 15 Collarbark in Hopewell Junction. If you'd like more information, you know how to reach me, 917-842-8418. Hey, and if I don't talk to you again before the holidays, have a very Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Kwanzaa, whatever it is you celebrate, and a spectacular New Year. Thanks all.